In the fall, after the leaves have fallen, you can just walk out to your neighborhood and just view the beautiful colors of the trees at the dock. This is across from my house, and this is what I do. Just watch the leaves fall off the trees. Different colors. Very beautiful. I don't know if that's a duck or a turtle. Cat, look at that in the water. It just went under. No? Yeah, right. Don't know what. Oh, there it is. There it is. Look. Don't know where he went or what it is. But I guess he's coming my way, I think. This is where the road ends. Okay, it's staying really long under the water, so I don't know where it went. But this nature, you're always seeing something. So get out. No more plants or landscaping, and this is what you do.